The report phishing button in Outlook. So here I am in my Outlook account, and currently I'm using the new version or the web version of Outlook. So if you are receiving a lot of phishing emails lately, you can go ahead and use the report phishing button already built in Outlook. So for example, I have like a example of a phishing email right here. So typically phishing emails have links inside of the content of their email that will urge you to click on it, and then when you click on it, it will lead you to a website that will trick you to give your personal information. So for example, if you don't want to receive phishing emails anymore, you can use the report phishing button right here in Outlook, so that that specific email and then email address will be reported to Microsoft, and then they can go ahead and use the data from your reports to block that specific email address. For example, I just have an example phishing email right here. You can go ahead and click the report button right here. So it's either you click the report button right away, or you can click the drop down button right here. Then you can go ahead and click report phishing. From there, you can click on that. This window will appear, and then it will have this window. It says reporting phishing scams helps keep your and other people's personal information safer. So from here, click report, and then that email will now be reported right away. And then what will happen is that it will also go ahead and delete that email immediately. So now you can see the email right here. And then that is how you can use the report phishing button in the new version or the web version of Outlook. So if you are using the classic version of Outlook, there is also a report phishing button right there. So for example, I will open my same email address, and then we still have the other sample phishing email right here. From here, you still have the same report button. You can click on it, and then you can report it as a phishing email. So just click that, and then as you can see, it will now be reported right away, and then it will be sent to your deleted items. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can use the report phishing button in both versions of Outlook, whether that be the new version or the classic version. So if you are wondering about more details about using the report phishing button, there is an official article right here by Microsoft and what they do about the emails that are being reported as phishing. And then that is basically it. So that is the report phishing button in Outlook. And thank you for watching.